If only I had a great place to hang these. No room in my closet, what else can I do? Thankfully, we have nature. The tree is my friend today. Ah, look at that. Look at that beauty. That's some good stuff right there. If I want it, I can just take it off, leave the hangers there, and put it on. Nature's the best. Thank God for nature.